happy Wednesday for both of us, I believe, and welcome back to the vlog. And happy birthday if today's your birthday. Can't forget it. Oh, it is a Wednesday morning here and it is gray and gross out. It is not my day. Slept really well last night though. I've gotten a good couple nights sleeps and now that have been just really nice. So I'm feeling really good lately, which definitely cannot complain about, obviously. So I'm just gonna be working for a little bit this morning before lunch. And then we actually have to head to downtown because I have a doctor's appointment. I'll chat with you guys a little bit more about that later. I'm definitely a little nervous, but you know what? There's nothing that I will even know today or anything, so there's no point in really getting too stressed out about it if I can help it. So much anxiety. Anyway, I will get into all of that later on today, but for now, I just need to go through my to-do list. Oh, I forgot I have a 1 p.m. call. So really the goal is gonna be to have a noon lunch, even though it's pretty early for me. That way I can do my 1 p.m. call and then get ready and be ready to be out the door around 2 o'clock. So that's what the plan is. And let's go ahead and hop into some work here. I am so cold, you guys. I have to get some socks on my feet. Oof, I have been so cold lately for some reason. Like, my hands and my feet have been getting really cold even when like it's nice out. It's really weird and like low-key sort of painful. I don't enjoy it, but hopefully this will help. It at least is like a chilly day out today, so it makes slightly more sense. Oh boy, I'm not feeling motivated. Oh my god, look at that lighting. I'm not feeling motivated today. This cat is always out here trying to snuggle. Are you trying to snuggle? She just hopped right up here on my lap. Why don't you settle in a little, can you? Molly, okay, we can leave that alone. But you just like lay down. I think that would be best. You love to scratch. Does that feel good? Yes. There you go. Yeah, she finally settled down. That's my girl. You just have a little seat, relax, maybe take a little nap so that mom can keep working. Lunchtime, and guess who's still freezing? Me. You know what? I'm home alone, let's get the heat rocking just for a little bit. I know it's pathetic, but I don't care. Let's turn it on because it's cold in here. I am cold. There we go. It said it was 68 degrees in here, so that's pretty cold to be honest. Gonna have a sandwich and soup for lunch. If you saw my last vlog, you know how my last attempt with soup went, and we are not getting into it because it made me very upset. So literally it will let me take this off. It's fine. Literally spilled like half of this yesterday. Having a very productive day so far, which is great considering that I'm sort of gonna be out of the office for the rest of the afternoon. I actually solidified my idea for my Vlogmas merch, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna try to do a really quick turnaround on that, obviously, because that is coming up very soon. I feel like I'm saying this in every video now, but like, how the hell did we get here? And I want to make sure that it's available a little bit before Vlogmas. That way you guys can have it when Vlogmas starts, and then obviously it'll be available all during Vlogmas as well. So that's going to be really fun. I'm very excited. I really like this idea. I'm hoping that it comes together. It's going to have some cute original illustrations, which are going to be really cute. Hopefully, again, if this like comes together the way that I'm imagining it. And my goal was really just to try to keep it a little casual. Like, I don't want it to say like Vlogmas across the front of it because I know that's not something that necessarily I would want to wear. You guys know with my merch, I don't really like it to say like Jill Cimorelli or like anything too specific, but it's gonna like hint to some Vlogmas things. And anyway, I think you guys are really gonna like it. I hope so, at least. You should see something about it next week on my channel, and make sure you're following me on socials. Because you may see it there even sooner. It really just depends on what the turnaround is here. Fingers crossed. I really want to have a sample in my hands really soon. We're gonna see. I'm actually nervous now I'm thinking about it. I am 90% sure that there will be Vlogmas merch. Whether it will be available before Vlogmas, I guess just depends on literal, like, just timing for getting my samples and stuff like that, because I don't really have a ton of control over that. Molly cat, were you up on that counter? Such a bad cat. I don't remember what I was saying when I spotted Molly misbehaving, ma'am. But anyway, moral of the story is, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be Vlogmas merch when it's available. I cannot promise, but hopefully before Vlogmas. So really quickly before I eat, I just sort of want to download you guys on the doctor situation. Oh my god, I get so much anxiety even just thinking about it. I'm so nervous for today. Okay, I gotta get through this quick because I only have 20 minutes to eat before that call that I need to be on. I will link some other videos that go into more detail about this down below if you want to go and watch that, because I just really don't want to get into the whole thing again today. But if you didn't follow me before, then you may not know that last year I went through some health issues. Basically, I went in for my annual PAP last year and it came back irregular. I had some irregular cells, and that was really scary for obvious reasons. Basically, last year we continued trying to treat it, and eventually a little bit around this time last year, a little later anyway, I think like December, maybe January even of this year, I went in for a PAP and it actually came back clear, which was a huge relief, because basically if irregular cells go untreated and they're just sort of left there, it can eventually turn into cancer. I was nowhere near that stage. That's not what I'm heading towards. My doctors assured me it's not that at all, but it is something that I need to stay diligent about to make sure that it doesn't head down that path. And I'm really nervous. It just sucks because I just feel like I'm gonna be nervous for the rest of my life every time I go in for a PAP. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm being emotional about this, but it just, I have a lot of anxiety around it, I think, for obvious reasons. So that's the deal. I'm just sort of gonna leave it at that. I'm just really anxious, but today it will just be a normal PAP. I'll obviously ask my doctor if he sees anything that's weird, but really usually they have to test it, and then they'll let you know later if you need to come back for like a more thorough test, and then after that you may need to get them removed if that comes back bad. So, but hopefully we just don't even go down that path. Hopefully everything just comes back clear today. But it's silly to get worked up about it now, because I won't know anything today anyway until they call me with my results. So, oh god. Anyway, as I said, I'm gonna leave it at that because I have to be on this call pretty soon, so I need to get through my lunch and hop on that call. So that's what I'm gonna do. Molly. Psycho. Okay, it is 12:55 rather, so finished my lunch in about 10 minutes. And if you guys don't know this about me, I am an extremely slow eater, like so slow. And people say like, oh, that's good, it means you'll just eat less, like you'll just stop when you're not hungry anymore. No, I still eat as much as I want and finish all of my plates and often go back for seconds, but it doesn't mean that I'm not eating it slow as heck. So still have a little bit of soup here, but I got my sandwich down. I don't think I'll be doing a whole lot of talking on this call, so I should be able to finish that, and if not, no biggie. I can just heat it up again when I'm done, but feeling pretty full. We're ready to get into this call. No longer emotional. Thank you guys for bearing with me on that. Sorry. I didn't mean it to be that dramatic at all. I just was sort of filling you in on what my afternoon would be, but it's hard. It's scary times, but that's okay. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but my hair, I'm gonna like turn the brightness up. It's probably gonna wash me out, but I think that you'll be able to see my hair a little better. My hair turned out sort of cute today. Like, it wasn't as smooth on the top. It's more like bumpy curly, but I sort of dig that. I think it looks really cute. Oops, I need to get less bright, not more. So at least my hair is looking cute today. I'm gonna get into this call and I will check in with you guys before I leave for the doctor's office. Okay, we are heading out to downtown right now. Okay, love you.
Love you too. Safe travels.
Bye.
Say hi to Dr. Edie for me.
Will do. Hey, for Jill. Great, thank you. Well, we are officially all done, and I called my Uber, so I'm just waiting for that to arrive, because I forget if I said this, but I go to downtown to go to my gynecologist because I'm obsessed with the gynecologist I have, and it was not worth switching to one closer for me. I'd rather spend the money to get here because he is so incredible. It's Dr. Edu at, they just changed their name. I think it's PIH Health. They used to be called Spectrum Women's Healthcare. If you look that up, it still comes up. If you live in the LA area, cannot recommend it more. Anyway, he's just the best. He put me at so much ease. Like, I can't even tell you how much more relaxed I felt when he came in the room. He's so friendly. He remembers things about me. Like, he just like really, he makes it so easy. Oh yeah, PIH Health. There it is. Anyway, just waiting on my Uber now. And as I said, I won't know anything today anyway, so I'm just letting that go, and 4 to 5 business days I will have my results, and hopefully everything just comes back clear and good to go. Oh, I feel so much better now that I just have it over with. So much anxiety. The nurse even had to take my blood pressure twice because it was high the first time that she took it. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm so anxious. But all good, and it's over with now, so let's head home. Made it back home. I thought I would open a couple packages with you guys. This first one is from Blue Land, just something that I ordered. Blue Land is the cleaning supplies that Connor and I use for the most part. We absolutely love them. Great for the environment because you reuse the bottles, and they just send you like these little tablets that you can refill your bottles with. So we were all out of our multi-surface cleaner and a bathroom cleaner, so we got that. Got a Fresh Box Quantum Energy Squares, which I requested for my client. And this I am so excited about. It's a package that is from Olive and June, my favorite nail company. They told me they were launching a new product, so very excited to see what this is. I think I know, but we're gonna see. Yes, press on nails from Olive and June. Look at how cute. This one has like a little star design on it. This one's just a little nudie pink. I love it, so cute. So anyway, just thought I would show you that really quickly. I'm gonna go clear out my email one more time before we call it for the day. It is wine o'clock here. The Cimorelli O'Reilly household, going in for our second bottle of this cab staff that we had last week.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome, enjoy. 7:25 p.m. and it's time to make some dinner.
Hell yeah!
Okay, dinner is served. Big surprise, we're doing our new favorite, deconstructed sushi. There is truly just no better meal.
Right?
It keeps me from ordering out so often, I can't even tell you, because it just gives me the sushi vibe that I need. It's so good. And now we're going to watch a Succession. We are on season 2. And very excited. What time is it now?
It's like 11:18.
Oh man, I'm tired. It is the end of the night over here. Lovely evening. We watched a Succession and then a Survivor, which had a very eventful ending. It was really good. I'm actually really enjoying this season. How about you?
Yeah, me too. Like, again, a little bit too...
Yeah, we don't like this new like cheesy format that they're doing with like...
Too many profiles on everyone.
Yeah, and like, I don't know. It's a little bit too much.
The season of play has been
really good, yeah. It's just like they usually do that stuff further along when like you're actually emotionally invested in people and you want to know like why they're playing the game.
And it just seems like it's all the time.
I know.
But yeah, the play's been great.
The play has been really good. There's some really good players.
Advantages. And,
Anyway, that's all. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great day ahead, and I will see you on Friday.